Welcome to Manchester Vacs, and this being Manchester, of course, it's raining, so I'm going to show you around. We're best known for Dyson and Sebo, that's spare parts and machines. You may know us as Manchester Vacs as the Sebo shop or Dyson Medic. All those three brands are us. So we are best known probably nowadays for Sebo, and we are the biggest approved Sebo dealer in the north. We're also Dyson specialists, and we can trace our roots back to the late 1980s. We've been around a long time. So I'm going to show you another part of the building. We're not just online, we are also bricks and mortar too. So if you're within reach of Stockport in Greater Manchester, you can also come down to our trade counter. So let's have a look in the warehouse. If you bring or send a machine in to us to be repaired, one of these two chaps will be doing it. We don't drop ship like a lot of people online. If you see it on our website or on one of our listings, it means we've got it. In terms of Sebo parts, we have probably a greater range of Sebo parts than anybody else. In fact, we have a greater range of Sebo parts than Sebo UK. And in terms of non-genuine parts, we develop a lot of our own parts. We have many of our own parts manufactured. We don't just buy the cheapest stuff that you can find in China, like some other sellers do. A lot of people's non-genuine parts are no good. Ours are excellent. And as I mentioned before, there's no drop shipping here. Everything is here, everything's packed and sent from here, and we don't use Every or Hermes or Yodel or any of these type of carriers, because we want you to actually receive your order. And all our deliveries come with Royal Mail tracked 48 or 24. So that's just to give you a little feel of who we are and what we're about, and also depending what platform you're shopping with us on. Prices can vary a little bit, but always the best prices are on our own sites. Thank you for watching.
Manchester!